Hey, what's up everybody? I'm wearing my streaming clothes right now. I ordered a GoPro back in April 9th and I just got it, so I'm gonna go unbox that real quick. Got the GoPro 8 from Amazon. Today's April 27th, so it took a while, but I understand. So we're gonna get this thing started. So it's right over here. And I'm also really excited because I want to take this and take it to outdoors.
Into my life, don't you know you're not alone? Won't you come into my life, into my life, into my life? Oh, into my life. You know you have it all. It's just a way of life. No matter what they say, you know at least you tried. You are my universe, you are my space and time. Whatever comes around, you're always on.
I also did purchase a bike. Let me go ahead and show you my bike real quick.
Mind. Don't you know you're not alone? Won't you?
I'm gonna go charge it real quick and then I'm gonna strap it to my head and I'm gonna go show you the trail that I've been going to. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I really like this this set right here. So if you've never bought any set before and you're trying to buy a GoPro, I would highly suggest you do this. And by the way, this is not sponsored, so I'm just sharing this to you guys. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this in particular, the chest strap as well as the head strap right here, which I'm gonna be using a lot when I'm riding my bike. So yeah, this is great, fantastic. And also this thing could be useful. I was like trying to wonder what this thing is all about, but I guess if you're trying to like do shots like from the ground, you can like just stick this and yeah, you can use it. Here it is. I was wondering what this was, but got it figured out. I'm like, oh, okay, all right. And also the USB card. You can like transfer this to any. You can transfer this to any computer, laptops, Macs, or whatever. It's really useful. So yeah, go with a set. It's on Amazon, so just look it up. Hero 8 set, and then you'll come up with this. And I don't know if I'll be using this. I mean, probably when I'm underwater, but yeah, I guess that's all. But they're all really useful, so I recommend it. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Alright, I got everything installed. I strapped one of the thing here to my helmet, adhesive stuff. So let's go biking! Woohoo!
What it do, what it does, where you been, where you was, what it ain't, what it is. Face in the mud, I really be hating in the mud. Said I can't pick it up, but I did. Y'all know Goon put too much bass in the sub. Cup full of blood and I gave it a chug. Wait till your neighbors get all snug, then play this real loud where you live. This, that, for the kids, saw something strange, can't say what it is. Court case came, ain't say what he did. Make shit move, put a chain on the gear. Yeah, I've been on top of the tower, got the power, weatherman. Gun cock and it's about to shower. Put you down with the squids, that's rocket power. I done hang with the guys and we talk for hours, yo. I feel like a doctor on late shift. I done ran out of my patience. I done no trip out in Vegas. I say I don't have to pay shit. Don't try to say we related. I come to the reunion looking like Jason. It's that black entertainment. I should have been on the base. Get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Who that trying to say that they put in more work than me? Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Speeding head hanging out the car, driving down the street with no regard. Where I'm going, I do not recall. My teachers always said that I'm bizarre. Like a ring, I keep my circle small. We back and forth, I'm Raphael Nadal. I ain't really worried.
Usually this side is closed. Let's take a look, see what's up here. Holy cow, okay, I don't think I can make it from here. Woo. Oh god.
Y'all slow, so I had to spit it halftime. How you gonna be the man when he at prime? You don't know where you at, that's a bad sign. Me and you, we met in a past life, and the same thing happened to you last time. Y'all know I was born for the fast life. Now they out here looking for the crash side. I get on the mic and chastise, got the whole crowd wet, they baptized. But give me for my past crimes. It's the last night, it's the last rhyme. So before you spend that last time, let me tell you one last time. Bitch, 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 bitch. Out here and work. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Who there trying to say that they put in more work than me? Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, you ain't gon' get me, I put that on my family tree. You gon' see who really got that life, and that's a guarantee. I can still hear my mama's voice back when she
Okay, this is Odell Middle School. Never mind, it's not Sammamish. This is where my niece goes to right now. This middle school is pretty big. Probably recognize this area here. You guys probably seen it on the other video, but I'm going to the other side.
I can't break through, and no limits to what I can do.
So as you can see, it's safe to walk around, but of course remember to practice your social distancing. And your left? We're not.
No border gonna stand in my way. No
this way, we'll go around. So yeah, this is how I stay active. Just like these guys. On your left. Thank you.
Pulls like gripping tides when I need you to be mine. Release, let it fly. Don't wanna use you, I don't wanna use you. I open up the sky. Don't wanna use you, I don't wanna use you. I don't need you, no, I don't need it anymore. I don't need you, no, I don't need it anymore. No, I don't, no, I don't, no, need it anymore. No, I don't, no, I don't. No envy, no pride, no deceit, no cry. Gifts you've given me. Don't wanna use you, I don't wanna use you. I will set you free. Don't wanna use you, I don't wanna use you. I don't need you, no, I don't need it anymore. I don't need you, no, I don't need it anymore. No, I don't, no, I don't, no, free, need it anymore. No, I don't, no, I don't. I will set you free now. Yeah, I will set you free now. I will set you free now. Yeah, I will set you free now. I wanna see you climb your mountains, cross all your oceans. I wanna see you climb your mountains, cross all your oceans. I wanna see you climb your mountains, cross all your oceans. I wanna see. I wanna see. Yeah, I wanna see. I wanna see.
We are here.
I'm seeing distant lights. It's almost like waking. All of the gray turns white. The clouds behind fading. There are no steps to retrace. Out of the maze, running in circles and lines.
of the video, guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and comment and share it with your family and friends. I'm gonna go eat my tacos that I bought, and then I'm gonna go edit it. So I'll see you guys next week.